So you want to be a concert photographer. Okay. Does having one of these make you a concert photographer? No, it doesn't. How about having one of these? Does this make you a concert photographer? No, it doesn't. Well, how about this? This camera costs altogether. Somebody gave me this whole rig, but this camera probably cost today to buy it a couple $100. Does it make you a concert photographer? No, it doesn't. Does this make you a concert photographer? Nope, doesn't make you a concert photographer. How about this? I can take concert photos on my cell phone. Does it make me a concert photographer? No, it does not. So what's the point? You cannot buy the ability to be a concert photographer by spending money and buying it in a box. This does not make you a concert photographer. This makes you a concert photographer. Okay, so what makes a great concert photographer? It's knowledge. That's the most important thing. Buying a camera, going out and thinking it's going to do everything for you, listening to some of the things that you hear that are definitely wrong is not going to make you a great photographer. So the first thing to becoming a really good concert photographer of anything is learning how to operate your camera and what it does, learning the ins and outs of it. Without that, you're barely touching the iceberg, and it just doesn't work. There are tons and tons and tons of people out there taking concert photos with everything from a cell phone to a point and shoot to big rigs that are clueless on how their camera operates and do not know how to make it function properly. So while they may produce concert photos, the quality of them is quite a bit lacking. The other thing that's out there too is people take these concert photos and they have no sense of composition. They don't know how to set things up. They don't know how to make a decent photograph look something better than an actual snapshot. What it does is you'll have parts of guitars taken off, the headstock will be gone, or you'll have big, huge photographs of all this stuff going on stage, and you can't tell what the heck's going on stage. There's sometimes you'll be out there and you'll be looking at concert photos, and you'll see people out there taking photos, and you can't tell who the person is, or they're fuzzy or blurry, or you just, the photograph doesn't make any sense. A photograph that has somebody in it that you can't obviously tell who they are will lose value very quickly. It may look cool, it may be neat, it may be something that you can use on an album cover or something like that. As long as the person knows who the album's by, then it's not so bad. But generally, you show me a photograph that I can't tell who I'm looking at, it's a problem.